My name is Singh Chauhan. I read in class 7. I am telling about smartphone. Children are most vulnerable to smartphone and other technological gadgets. Right from childhood, they are introduced to smartphone, but the content on smartphone is not always child friendly, and they affect kids' eyes, brain, mind, and also their way of thinking. So please don't use mobile phones. It's dangerous. Thank you.
Children to know that excessive use of game may lead to negative side effects such as addiction, lack of critical thinking, and it also harm your life too. So be aware and be safe. Thank you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
ये कहानी है उस रहस्यमय गेम की जिसका नाम लेने से भी लोगों की रूह कांप जाती थी, लेकिन एक शैतान लड़के ने अपने दोस्तों को डराने के लिए वो गेम मंगवाया। ये गेम बहुत खतरनाक है और उसे बीच में छोड़ा जाए तो ये जानलेवा साबित होगा।
हाय,
हेलो।
अरे ये सब छोड़, तू उस गेम के बारे में बता।
हाँ चलो बताता हूँ।
ये वही गेम है ना? तू नहीं जानता इसके बारे में? नहीं नहीं, मैं तो नहीं खेलूंगा ये गेम। मुझे मरने का शौक थोड़ी ना है। तू क्यों लाया है मुझे?
डरता तो मैं भी हूँ, पर मैं भी तो आया ना। मुझे तो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है ये गेम।
चल बॉयज, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, एक बार खेल के तो देखो।
अरे चल चल चल, भाग भाग भाग, जल्दी भाग।
नहीं।
दिखाई देंगे। सर थोड़ा साइड में से होकर एक मिनट मतलब अब इसके बाद नहीं है ठीक है आगे नीचे और
Big round of applause, please.
ये गेम तो रियल है और ये सब सच में हो रहा है। इसका सॉल्यूशन ढूंढना होगा।
हाँ चल वो बुक देखते हैं, उस बुक में कुछ सॉल्यूशन तो होगा ही।
रात है थकी।
इस गेम को फाइनल स्टेज पे ले जाकर जीतना होगा, लेकिन अगर हम दोनों साथ में जाएंगे तो खतरा ज्यादा होगा। पहले तू जा और जब वो तुझे पकड़ लेगी तो मैं तुझे बचाने आ जाऊंगा। क्या तू ये रिस्क ले सकता है?
हाँ विनीत को बचाना ही है।
इसके लिए उस डाइस तक जाना होगा। हमारे पास सिर्फ एक चांस और है।
after 3 years. Here, I am very welcome the presiding of the program, Mr. Gajendra Singh Ji Ahu, and I feel honored to extend a hearty welcome of our chief guest. Some of are here, some of are not present due to some reason. Mr. Anil Sharma, the founder of School Shiksha Parivar and the member of RTE Board Rajasthan, and Mr. Devendra Singh Bhutati, the president of Bhutati Dham Nagaur and member of EWS Board of Rajasthan. Some special guests, Mr. Bhavar Singh Ji Banjapuri, senior leader of BJP, Vikas Singh Barej, Parshad, Ward number 47 and Chairman Jaipur Nagar Nigam Greater. Mr. Rohitas Singh Basai, senior leader of Congress. It is my pleasure and privilege to welcome the First Lady of the organization, Ms. Krishna Nathavan, the gathering of SMC members, parents community, invited guests, teachers and my very dear students. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my customary duty to present you a roundup of the current academic session, which is fruitful session. Well, it is too difficult to summarize the entire academic session. I believe that the purpose of education to replace an empty mind with an open mind. I am very proud to say that this school has accelerated to the great horizon of success. Our school has been declared one of the best institutions of the place, which has included and it is following extracurricular activities in daily timetable. Dear parents, what you see today is the accumulations of massive continuous efforts put in by the students and teachers. Being the oldest and the biggest organization in the cluster, our school has always been the center of a great number of activity at school. Few of them: Green Day celebration, Fancy Day competition, Best Out of West debate competition, and some more bunch of that. This year, we have made huge improvement in ICT infrastructure of the school, because in education is the mode of ICT of the mode of education. Few of them are equipment of interacting and visualization board, development of land facility, etc. SSP Gurukul Kids Academy and Toadsworth Public School, a part of Gurukul Group of Education, are peace-sitting institution, and they are chosen for the implementation of new programs in teaching, testing and evaluation. A continuous and comprehensive evaluation is implemented in our school for all classes. We are very grateful to our director, Ms. Krishna Nathavan and Mr. Devendra Singh Rathore. It is because of your valuable guidance, encouragement and support that all that has been possible. We also remember the gratitude of everyone who did the best, every student, every parent and every staff member. The progress of any institution is dependent on committed faculty, supportive administration staff, responsible students and cooperative parents. We are indeed very happy with all these elements. Here a story for you all. Some frogs were traveling through woods and two of them accidentally fell into a pit. The other frog, which were safe upside, understood how deep the pit was, and so no hope for the frogs to escape out of it. Both of these frogs standing tried to get out of the pit but failed many times. The frog of the safe side stood at them to give up the pain of trying, as it was not possible. Eventually, one of heard that the other frog and decided to stop trying and fell down to death. However, the other frog went to try and at last managed to reach the top. To the other frogs, asked him, why did you not hear what we told you? He explained, listen, it is really impactful for everyone, for every phase of your life. He replied that he was deaf and he thought, look, there is a negative impact that putting by the frog which was standing upside of the pit. But the next who is trying to climb up has put entire scenario in the positive movement and taking the step and replied, he thought that the other frogs was enhancing him to get out. There is no gain, dear students, without pain. Every successful person has a painful story and every painful story has a successful ending. जो रोज पानी से नहाते हैं वो सिर्फ लिबास चेंज करते हैं, लेकिन जो पसीने से नहाता है वो इतिहास लिखता है, बदलता है और बनाता है. Thank you. Actually, we all made to win the battle of life. Our children made to fly. They have incredible potential in them. So what we need to do, just come out from the comfort zone and do more efforts. Children learn more by exploring. We are very protective and responsible to our children. In our annual function, you will be seeing each and every student come on the stage. Our endeavor is to make them confident. We also want them to image and dreams. Listen parents, we also want them image and dreams, because if you can dream it, you can do it, or you become what you think. My dear friends and parents, I have also a dream. We all can achieve it if we work together. Once again, here I remember my some favorite lines that wrote by Robert Ford. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promised to keep. And miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. And kindly enjoy the program till the end. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
My name is Bhavna Verma from class 7. Today I am here to speak about child labor. Child labor is a global issue that prevents children from fulfilling their potential. Child labor is a violation of children's rights. The work can harm them mentally and physically, expose them to hazardous situations, to stop them going to school. Children are our most valuable resource. Don't be wild, don't force work on a child. Thank you.
भारतवर्ष में प्रारंभ से ही बच्चों को ईश्वर का रूप माना जाता है. ईश्वर के बाल रूप यथा बाल गणेश, बाल गोपाल आदि इसके प्रत्यक्ष उदाहरण हैं. लेकिन आज की तस्वीर इससे बिल्कुल अलग है कीमती बच्चे फिर भी क्यों नंगे पैर ये सड़कों पर भीख मांगते हैं. अपनी किस्मत की रेखा छोटे बर्तनों में घिसते हैं. घर बाजार वासना के हाथों रोज बिकते हैं. हम रोज के सुनते, पढ़ते और देखते और सो जाते हैं।
इसे भी दो, वरना आज भी खाना नहीं दूंगी, समझी?
आपको नहीं लगता कि कोमल बचपन को इस तरह गर्त में जाने से आप रोक सकते हैं? देश के सुरक्षित भविष्य के लिए वक्त आ गया है कि आपको यह जिम्मेदारी अब लेनी ही होगी। क्या आप लेंगे ऐसे किसी एक मासूम की जिम्मेदारी?
About environment. The environment is an important part of your life. Without it, living things couldn't survive on Earth. So we should save our environment and grow more and more plants. Thank you.
अब हम इंसान इस धरती पर आराम से रह सकते हैं क्योंकि हमारे पास बिल्डिंग्स है, फैक्ट्रीज है, मॉल्स है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर्स है। हा 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 हा। सब ट्री कट करके यहाँ पर हाईवे बनाऊंगा।
मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ, तू मेरा हिस्सा है, मुझसे ही तू सुनता है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है। हाँ, बड़ा दुखता है। हाँ, दुखता है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है।
I am a tree, I give you fruits. I am a tree, I give you medicine. I am a tree, I give you oxygen. I am a tree, I give you environment.
From class 7, today I am here to speak about Indian Army. A soldier sacrifices their lives in order to protect other lives. A soldier don't get lead a very comfortable life every day, and still they dutifully protect their own country. Our next dance performance showing the sacrifices of a army man. Thank you.
मुझे फौजी बनना है।
क्या? नहीं बेटा, ये तू क्या कह रहा है? तू जानता है ना, तेरे बावजूद भी अपने देश के लिए जान देकर हमें छोड़कर पहले ही चले गए। अब मैं तुझे नहीं, मैं तुझे नहीं जाने दूंगी।
माँ, जैसे तू मेरी माँ है, वैसे ये धरती भी मेरी माँ है। आज दुश्मनों ने इसके आंचल को खून से रंग दिया है माँ। अब जवाब देने की बारी हमारी है। आशीर्वाद दे माँ।
जवानों, मिशन के लिए तैयार? यस सर।
हाँ यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है। हाँ यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है।
घायल परिंदा है तू, दिखला दे जिंदा है तू, बाकी है तुझ में हौसला। तेरे जुनू के आगे अंबर पनाहे मांगे, कर डाल तू जो फैसला।
रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, बंदे हर मैदान फतेह।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, बंदे हर मैदान फतेह।
उन्हें कश्मीर चाहिए और हमें उनका साथ। Are you ready, boys? Yes, sir. How's the job? Aye, sir. How's the job? Aye, sir. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. मैं लड़ जाना।
but also strengthens our roots and help us remain grounded. Thank you.
rocked the stage. It was an energetic and rocking performance by them. Give them a big round.
Soul expressed in the movement, beauty, art and creativity. Dancing has the power to bring people together, whether it's seen as fun, celebration or a beautiful art that even little children can appreciate. Thank you.
joint family.